For 7b, we're going to get an expression for the answer because we have x's involved. Now, for these number 7s, it'll always will tell you write with positive angles. So again, if you've got the larger one here, in order to avoid having a negative angle, because you want to write it with positive angles, we want to switch the order. So like I did in the previous problem, you can switch the order, but you must put a minus sign out front if you're going to switch the order. Now, if this was plus, you don't need a negative in the front. If it's plus, just switch it, and that's all you have to do. With a minus sign, that's the only time you have to put a negative on the outside. So when you switch the order of subtraction. This, we have sine minus sine. So sine minus sine, you're going to use this formula. Sine x minus sine y is equal to 2, so positive 2. Sine of x minus y over 2. And this is going to be cosine x plus y over 2. So be careful when you're writing the formula down. This one has a sine and a cosine involved for each. Now, because we switched the order, 7x is going to go first here, and then the 2x is going to be your y. So we can plug that into the formula. We get 2 sine of 7x minus 2x all over 2. And don't forget also, we really have a negative sign out front of everything because we have a negative sign out front here. So technically we have negative is from up here, and then inside the brackets we're putting this particular formula in just to keep that straight. Next we got the cosine one, x plus y, so 7x plus 2x over 2. Okay, so all that, again, you have a negative on the outside. We're going to simplify each of these, and with the negative, again, you're not distributing that to each thing. It's just negative times this whole entire quantity because it's one piece, because you don't have plus or minus in between. It's one term. So you'll get negative 2 sine. Okay, so you have 7x minus 2x, that's 5x. Divided by 2 is just 5x over 2. You can just leave it like that. Nothing more you have to do there. And this is cosine of 9x over 2. And it's okay to have fractions. For this particular problem, there's no other identities you have to use. This is as far as you need to go. So again, your answer will just be expression because you have x's in there instead of actual numbers for your thetas.